and welcome. Our team at RAPID TCT 2025 in Detroit, Michigan had the opportunity to explore some of the most impactful applications in additive manufacturing. One in particular that stood out was how Ford is leveraging Stratasys 3D printing technology to redefine vehicle development, prototyping, and production efficiency. As you may know, Ford has been integrating 3D printing into its workflow for years. This includes the Stratasys F3300. This industrial FDM system plays a critical role in manufacturing jigs, fixtures, and surrogate parts, essential components that help Ford validate designs and streamline vehicle assembly before full-scale production. With the Stratasys F3300, Ford is not just accelerating production, it's optimizing the entire development process. The high-speed, high-precision printing capabilities mean that engineers can iterate designs faster, test vehicle assembly more efficiently, and reduce costs associated with traditional tooling. This translates to shorter development cycles and greater manufacturing agility. To dive deeper into how technology is transforming Ford's manufacturing process, we spoke with an expert at Stratasys who shared their first-hand experience.
Behind me is our newest FDM printer. This is the F3300, and this is directly investment resulted directly from feedback from customers in the aerospace and automotive industries. This answers so many questions that people have about reliability, repeatability, accuracy, part cost. Stratasys over the years has invested heavily into more of the cost per part reduction and reliability and repeatability increase to meet those demands of production part environments. Whether it's a hardware, software, or a material, we rise to the challenge every day and we help our customers big and small when they have their manufacturing issues that come up from time to time.
Ford's strategic use of Stratasys additive manufacturing technology highlights how 3D printing is revolutionizing the automotive industry, not for mass production, but as an essential tool for rapid prototyping, custom tooling, and production validation. As the technology advances, we can only expect more efficiency, innovation, and smarter manufacturing in vehicle development. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights from RAPID TCT 2025 right here on 3Dnatives.